what the smell of flowers. Do you like them? I do. This is a bunch of flowers. There are roses, pink roses, sunflowers. I love them. Do you? So let's begin with learning of some beautiful flowers. So here you can see there are two main parts of a flower, which are sepals and petals. Now what is petals and sepals? Some children are confused between them. They're so much confused. Okay, so petals are the colored part of the flower. You can say that flowers are of many colors. You saw in the early picture in this that there are different types of flowers, right? So here this is white one, this is red one, this is pink one, this is yellow one. Like this there are many flowers. Okay, so now here the green part on the flower is known as sepal. Okay, it is known as sepal. And the colored part, it can be of any color. Okay, it's not that only red, it can be of any color. It's called petals. Okay, so if you have any doubt you can give in the comment section. So now the next one is stamen and pistil. These are the inner side parts of flower. If you just take out the petals, some you can see them. Okay, so this is known as stamen. Okay, so now here we have the stamen. So in stamen what is there? Thin lines. This thin line is stamen. Okay, here are green. And the pistil, so here this I am zooming. Okay, here you can see there is a diamond like shape here, this one. Okay, so this is known as pistil. Here this is like this somewhat shape. Okay, so this is known as pistil. We'll later on learn about this. So first we have to now move on the next part. We will learn more about stamens. Okay, stamens, we learn two parts are there in stamens, which is anther and filament. So here you can see how the stamen is clearly, because there it was not visible so clearly. Okay, so now what you have to do is this. So now this part is anther. What is it? Anther. And what is this part? Green one. Okay, green one, what is it? It's filament. Okay, green part is known as filament and red part is known as anther. Okay, now these are the two parts. Now here this is parts of pistil. Okay, parts of pistil. So now this is the clear pistil which I wanted to show you. Now there are three parts of pistil. Okay, so what is it? It's called style, not the hairstyle or that one. It's style. Okay, here is a okay, this is known as style. Inner side, not the outer one. Inner side there is something that is known as ovary. Okay, ovary then becomes the fruit of the that. In some plants you can see like the mirchi plant, there is white flower and then it becomes mirchi. Okay, so between the flower there is pistil and then there is ovary. So ovary comes out and it becomes then it becomes the chili. Okay, so in many just fruits there is. Now what is stigma? Stigma is this. Okay, this one, crown type, which I earlier showed you, diamond type. Okay, this is known as stigma. Remember? So now let's learn about ovary. So now what happened in ovary is there are ovules. Okay, ovules are there. Ovule. Now here we have cotton with blade. Okay, Suppose if you cut with blade, it is not possible to cut, but in this figure you can see it's cut by blade. Okay, in first one there is this time horizontal, and here it is vertical. Okay, so now ovule it is shown here. There are some holes, right? Okay, holes type. So in the center it is ovary. What is ovary? It's there. So we have completed our chapter. Bye bye for now. If you have any doubt, write in the comment section. Like our video if you understood. Bye bye for now. Save.